Hey everyone! Did you know the mantis shrimp showcases some of the ocean's most vibrant colors? Today, we're diving into a fun DIY color therapy project to infuse your home with that colorful energy. Colors have a profound impact on our mood and energy levels. By incorporating the bright, lively hues inspired by the mantis shrimp, we can create a more positive and cheerful atmosphere. Who wouldn't want their home to feel as vibrant and joyful as a coral reef? 1. Let's start with the mantis shrimp. This fascinating creature can see colors beyond our imagination. They use these colors for communication and attracting mates, so why not bring that beauty into our decor? 2. Research shows that colors can significantly influence our emotions. Bright shades like turquoise and coral can lift our spirits and energize our spaces. Using colors inspired by the mantis shrimp can help create a vibrant, positive environment at home. 3. Now, let's get creative. You can easily make colorful wall art or paint plant pots. All you need are canvases, bright paints, and a bit of imagination. Think of splashes of blues, greens, and pinks to mimic the mantis shrimp's stunning palette. 4. Adding plants can enhance the color therapy effect. Choose vibrant flowers or leafy plants that complement your new artwork. This not only adds color but also brings a fresh feel to your space. 5. Don't forget about textures. Incorporating colorful fabrics or textured wall hangings can add depth and interest to your theme, making your space even more inviting. 1. Collect your canvases, paints, brushes, and any other materials you need. 2. Select a few vibrant colors inspired by the mantis shrimp. 3. Start painting. Don't stress about perfection, just have fun with it. 4. Once your art is dry, hang it up or place it around your space. 5. Pick out some plants or flowers to complement your colorful decor. Make sure to use non-toxic paints, especially if you have pets or kids. Also, be mindful of clashing colors sometimes, less is more. Stick to a harmonious color palette. So there you have it. Brightening up your space with mantis shrimp vibes is not only enjoyable but also uplifting. Give this DIY project a try today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative ideas. Happy decorating! Have you heard of the mantis shrimp? These tiny ocean dwellers are not just visually stunning, they can actually help brighten your space and lift your mood. Let's dive into the vibrant world of mantis shrimp and discover how their incredible colors can transform your home. Color plays a significant role in our emotions. Just like the mantis shrimp, which sees a spectrum of colors far beyond our perception, incorporating vibrant hues into our environment can elevate our spirits and promote happiness. In today's video, we'll show you how to use these colors to create a joyful atmosphere at home with some easy DIY projects. 1. Did you know mantis shrimp can see 10 times more colors than we can? This amazing vision encourages us to think about how we can make our surroundings more vibrant and lively. Imagine infusing that energy into your own space. 2. Different colors evoke different feelings. For instance, blues and greens can create a sense of calm, while pinks and oranges can spark joy and energy. By understanding these connections, you can select colors that resonate with your mood. 3. Let's get creative. You can design your own art pieces using bright colors inspired by these fascinating creatures. Think about vibrant pinks, electric blues, and sunny yellows, colors that capture the beauty of the ocean. 4. Consider painting a feature wall in your favorite mantis shrimp colors or creating colorful canvas art using simple techniques like sponging or swirling. Even adding colorful throw pillows can bring a splash of the ocean into your living room. 5. Remember, nature is the ultimate color palette. Draw inspiration from tropical flowers or coral reefs to guide your color choices. The more inspired you are, the more vibrant your space will become. Be mindful not to go overboard. Too many bright colors can be overwhelming. Stick to a few key colors and balance them with softer shades. Also, ensure the colors you choose reflect your personal style and make you feel good. Are you ready to brighten your space with the vibrant colors of the mantis shrimp? Start today and unleash your creativity. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, share your colorful creations in the comments, and subscribe for more fun ideas. 1. Have you ever heard of the mantis shrimp? These incredible creatures not only deliver a powerful punch but also showcase some of the most vibrant colors imaginable. Today, we're diving into how you can bring that stunning beauty into your home with simple DIY color therapy inspired by our colorful friend. 2. Color plays a crucial role in shaping our mood and environment. Just as the mantis shrimp uses its bright hues for communication, we can harness color in our spaces to cultivate positivity and happiness. Adding a splash of color can elevate your spirits, spark creativity, and make your home feel more inviting. 3. 1. Mantis shrimp perceive a spectrum of colors beyond our imagination, and their vivid shades remind us of nature's wonders. Incorporating these colors into your decor can transform your space into a cheerful oasis. 2. Different colors evoke various emotions. For example, blue can create a calming effect, while yellow can energize you. Understanding the meanings behind colors helps you select shades that resonate with how you want to feel in your space. 3. You don't need to be an artist to create mantis shrimp-inspired art. Simple techniques like pouring paint, using colored paper, or even trying digital art can help you effortlessly capture those vibrant hues. 4. Consider using throws, cushions, or wall art that reflect the beautiful shades of the mantis shrimp. You can even create a color palette inspired by them to guide your choices. Hey, erase the revised version of your script chunk. Don't hesitate to add your unique flair. Whether it's a cherished memory or a creative twist on color combinations, let your space reflect who you are and what brings you joy. 1.